Welcome back, children. The next question is, the sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of their 18th terms. The sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions. So, there are two arithmetic progressions, their sums ratio is given. So, we have two arithmetic progression. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of the first arithmetic progression. Usually we take small a, first term, and D, small d be the common difference of first AP. Okay, and one more AP. So, for that we can take capital letters. Let A be the first term and capital D be the common difference of the second AP. Okay. Now, how to write Sn? Sn of the first AP. First AP we can write as n by 2. Number of terms n. 2a, a is the first term plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this for first AP. Now for second AP, again number of terms same. Small letter n is the number of terms. So n by 2 into 2a. Here a is capital A, n minus 1 into capital D. Okay, so this is for second AP. Now this ratio is given. So we can write 2a plus n minus 1 into d by 2a plus n minus 1 into capital D is equal to 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. Okay. N by 2 is also there. I didn't write n by 2. N by 2 we can cancel. N by 2 cancel. So, this is given in the question. This is given. What we have to prove or what we have to find? Find the ratio of their 18th terms. So, to find ratio of their 18th terms. For the first AP, the 18th term is A plus 17D. And for the second AP, capital A plus 17 capital D. So, we have to find this and we know this. This is given in the question. We have to find this. So, from this how we get this expression? So, we have to do some techniques. So, compare these two. Again, I am writing 2a plus n minus 1 into d by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. Now, children, compare this one and this. Here a, there is no 2, but here we have 2. So, from this we have to reach that expression we have to get. So, 2 is not in this expression. So, we do not want this 2. So, what we do? The same step we can write in another way. Is this correct? Capital A plus n minus 1 by 2 into d. Okay. This same step same as this one. Is it correct? Now that's equal to 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. Now again compare this. So first term A, here also A. Now in this bracket, here we have 17. Okay. So if we get the value of n, we get the ratio of 18th terms. So what we do is, what is the value of this n? Comparing these two expressions, put n minus 1 by 2 as 17. So, what is n? Which implies n minus 1 is 34 or n is equal to 34. So, when n is equal to 35, this put 2. So, when n is equal to 35, the second equation reduces to 1, isn't it? So, here right hand side also you have to give the same value. So, once again children, once again you listen. What is given in the question? The sum of n terms of two APs, the ratio is given. So, first AP small letter A and small letter D, first term and common difference, second AP capital letters. Then we write the formula for finding Sn. Both APs Sn, that ratio, take the ratio that is given in the question. Now what we have to find? The ratio of their 18th terms. Again we write the expression ratio of their 18th terms. This first expression, that only we have to find. But we know this one. So you have to compare and reduce this to this. So for that, first we write in another way, 2 we write in as n minus 1 by 2 in both. So the first term is A and A, that's okay. Now the bracket, in the place of bracket we need 17. So we have to give the value of n, then only we get that. So we compare second and first expression. Compare 1 and 2. So from that we get n is 35. So when n is 35, the second is becomes 1. Second expression is reduces to 1. So I can write that. So when n is equal to 35, the second expression, substitute in the second expression, n is 35. So A plus n minus 1 by 2, 35 minus 1 by 2, 34 by 2 is 17. 17D by capital A plus 17 capital D is equal to, right hand side also you have to give 35 plus 4 by 9 into 35 plus 6. So the left hand side means 18th terms. Okay. 18th term of the first AP and 18th term of the second AP. That's equal to, right hand side you have to calculate 175 plus 4, 179 by 35 into 9, 315. So 321. Okay. So this is the answer. Therefore, ratio of the 18th terms is 179 by 320. Next one, sum of first P, Q and R terms of an AP are small letters A, B, C respectively. Prove that A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q is 0. So given that SP is equal to A, sum of first Q terms is given as B and sum of first R terms is given as C. Now what is the expression for SP? SP is P small letter, P by 2 into, so we need common difference and first term. It's the same AP, so let A be the first term and D be the common difference of the given AP. Here only single AP. Okay. So SP means P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D. is equal to A. Or we have to prove this expression. Here we have A by P. So from this, what is A by P? A by P is this bracket by 2, which implies 2A plus P minus 1 into D by 2 is A by P. Or one more step we can write, or this implies A by P. I am writing A by P in the left hand side. 2A by 2 is A plus P minus 1 into D by 2. Okay. Now the same way you have to write the next one, SQ, that is Q by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D is given as B, or 2A plus, directly you can write, okay, no need of these whole steps, or we can write B by Q is equal to A plus the last one is SR. SR is R by 2 into 2A plus R minus 1 into D, that is given as C, or 2A plus R minus 1 into D by 2 is C by R, or C by R is same as A plus R minus 1 by 2 D. Now look at the expression. We have to prove this equal to 0. So take the LHS. A by P, we have expression for A by P, B by Q and C by R. Substitute. Then simplify. So you will get 0. Therefore, A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q, that's equal to A by P is A plus P minus 1 into D by 2 into Q minus R plus the second expression A plus Q minus 1 into D by 2 into bracket R minus P plus the last term A plus R minus 1 into D by 2 into P minus Q. Now the simplification. Children, in every term A is there. So A we can take out, or one more step, A into Q minus R plus P minus 1 into Q minus R by 2 into D. We can take outside. Okay. Next step we can take out. That's why I am taking A into this D the last. So we can take D outside into D plus A into P minus Q plus R minus 1 into P minus Q into D by 2. So A into bracket, here A into bracket, there also A into bracket. A we can take out. Then the bracket Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. So PP cancel, RR cancel, QQ cancel. That is A into 0 we get. Now here D by 2 is common. So D by 2 we can take out. Then P minus 1 into Q minus R. So I am multiplying P into Q minus P into R minus Q plus R. Then here D by 2 taking out. Then multiply QR minus PQ minus R plus P. Here D by 2 outside. So PR minus QR minus P plus Q. Then PQ plus PQ minus PQ. PR minus PR minus Q. Can you see plus Q? Yes. Plus Q minus R plus R QR. everything cancel. So d by 2 into 0. So what is the answer? 0. So we proved. Okay. If the sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to sum of first q terms, then find the sum of first p plus q terms. Sum of first p terms is given as equal to sum of first q terms. Write the expression. Okay. Let A be the first term. Here also single AP and D be the common difference of the AP. Then what is SP? SP is P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to Q by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D. 2 and 2 cancel. We have to find what to find sum of first P plus Q terms. So again simplify. 2AP plus P minus 1 into P into D, 2AQ plus Q minus 1 into Q into D. So 2A, take Q to this side, 2AP minus 2AQ. So we can take out. Then the second term D, here also D. D we can take out. First you open this. So P square minus P into D. Take to left side minus, open the bracket, Q square minus Q. Okay. Now 2A taking out, P minus Q plus P square D. Here we have Q square D. Then minus PD plus QD. Or 2A into P minus Q, D taking outside, P square minus Q square. So we can factorize. That's why I write Q square D just close to this P square D. Okay. So we can factorize. Here if we take minus D outside, we can write P minus Q. So P minus Q, P minus Q. Here also we get P minus Q. D into P minus Q into P plus Q. Here children it is minus D. Okay. Correct. Then D into P minus Q. So there are 3 terms. In all the 3 terms P minus Q. So P minus Q taking outside, then bracket 2A plus D into P plus Q minus D. So P and Q that not equal. P terms and Q terms. So they must be different. Okay. So P minus Q, that is P not equal to Q. Therefore P minus Q cannot be 0. If the factors like this children, if the factors like this, we have to equate each to 0. So P and Q are different means this cannot be 0. P minus Q cannot be 0. Now which is 0? This bracket is 0. Therefore 2A plus D into P plus Q minus D equal to 0. D if we take outside, can I write like this? Okay. Now we can stop here. And what is the question? Sum of first P plus Q terms. The expression is P plus Q by 2 into 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D. This is the expression. But what is the bracket? Bracket is 0. Okay. So P plus Q by 2 into 0. That's equal to 0. The next one. The difference between two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degree. If the smallest angle is 120 degree, find the number of sides of the polygon. So, a polygon is given and its angles, the smallest is 120, the next and this 120, the difference is 5. So, 120, 125 like that. It is an AP. We have to find the number of sides. So, let number of sides be number of sides of the polygon. Polygon be n. Okay. So, the smallest is 120, then 125, like that it goes on. That means A is 120 degree, first term, common difference is 5 degree. Okay, only this much is given, we have to find n. So, last term we do not know. Then we know that the sum of interior angles of a polygon. What is the sum of interior angles of a polygon? Is equal to n minus 2 into 180. This you studied in 8th standard. Sum of interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180. Then, so sum of interior angles is this one. Using this AP, we can write another expression for the sum. Okay. So, sum to n terms of this AP. Sum of first n terms of the AP 120, 125, etc. is using the formula Sn is equal to number of terms n by 2 into 2a. A is 120 plus n minus 1 into 5. Now, both are equal, this expression and n minus 2 into 180, both gives the same, that is the sum of interior angles. So, we can equate. Therefore, n minus 2 into 240 plus 5n minus 5, that is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Okay, both are equal, both represent sum of interior angles of the given polygon. This is the general expression, sum of interior angles of a polygon. This is the sum of interior angles of this particular polygon. Okay. Now, simplification, 235 plus 5n, taking n to this side, 180 into 2 is 360, open the bracket, 360 n minus 720 or 5n square, 235 n minus 360 n plus 720 equal to 0. Again 5n square, 360 minus 235 is 125, 125n plus 720. So, we can divide by 5 to 25n, 1 5 is 5, then 22, 4, again 20. Now, splitting the middle term, factorize 16 into 9, 144, 16 plus 9 is 25, but the sum is negative, means both numbers are negative. So, we can factorize like this. So, n is equal to 16 and 9, which is possible, both values can we take or not? When n is equal to 16, that is the number of sides 16, that is the meaning. That is 120, 125, that is an AP, 120, 125. So, what is the 16th term? A16. A16 means that represent an angle, interior angle. A plus 15D. That is 120 plus 15 into 5. 15 5s are 75. So it is 195. It is greater than 180. Is it possible? An interior angle cannot be more than 180. So n equal to 16 is not possible. When we substitute n equal to 9, it should be less than. A plus n equal to 9 means the 9th term. A9 means a plus 8d. That is definitely less than 180. So that is possible. N equal to 16 is not possible. Therefore, n is equal to 9. If the sum of n terms of an AP is Pn plus Qn square. Sum of n terms. Pn plus Qn square. Where P and Q are constant, find the common difference. So this expression represents Sn. Put n equal to 1. So that is the S1. What is the meaning of S1? Sum of first term. That is same as A1. Sum of first term means only one term is there. So A1 is same as P plus. Put n equal to 1. P plus Q. Now what is S2? The meaning of S2 is sum of first two terms. That is A1 plus A2. S2 means put n equal to 2. So 2P plus Q into 2 square. So A1 plus A2 is equal to 2P plus 4Q. Okay. A1 is P plus Q. So we get A2. P plus Q plus A2 is equal to 2P plus 4Q. So what is A2? 2P minus P is P. 4Q minus Q is 3Q. Then what is D? A2 minus A1. So P plus 3Q minus P plus Q. P cancel. So it is 2Q. 2Q is the common difference. The last one. In an AP, if Pth term is 1 by Q and Qth term is 1 by P, prove that sum of first PQ terms is 1 by 2 into PQ plus 1, where P and Q are not equal. So Pth term is given, that is AP, Pth term. AP means A plus P minus 1 into D. So let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Okay. Then AP is given as 1 by Q, correct? Which implies A plus P minus 1 into D is 1 by Q. Equation 1. Now AQ is given as 1 by P. That is A plus Q minus 1 into D is 1 by P. We have to find SPQ. So for finding SPQ we need first term and common difference. So now you subtract. 1 minus 2 implies A and A cancel. Open the bracket, then subtract. PD minus D minus QD minus D. So D and D cancel. So PD minus QD. Cross multiply PQ. Or P minus Q into D. P minus Q by P. So P minus Q and P minus Q cancel. Therefore D is 1 by P. Now substitute D in one of the equations. We can substitute in first equation. So A plus P minus 1 into D. D is 1 by PQ. So I am writing PQ. Here is 1 by Q. Which implies A plus P minus 1 by PQ means we can divide each term by PQ. P and P cancel. So A plus 1 by Q minus 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. Again 1 by Q cancel. So A is 1 by PQ. Now what is SPQ? SPQ is the question. Sum of first PQ terms. SPQ, the formula is PQ by 2 into 2A plus PQ minus 1 into D. Substitute for A and D. A is 2 into 1 by PQ, that is 2 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 into D. D is 1 by PQ. Again divide each term. 2 by PQ plus PQ by PQ minus 1 by PQ. 2 by PQ and minus 1 by PQ becomes 1 by PQ. Then plus cancel and 1. So PQ by 2 into cross multiply 1 plus PQ by PQ. PQ and PQ cancel. So the answer is PQ plus 1 by or 1 plus PQ by 2. Is it the answer? Look at the question. PQ plus 1 by 2. So we